We're talking about measles and vitamin A. So what do we need to know, Doc?
Well, there's been a tremendous amount of confusion on vitamin A and measles. Unfortunately, what has happened is that a few patients in a hospital that is at the center of the epicenter in Texas, where we're seeing this measles outbreak, are suffering from liver damage associated to vitamin A toxicity. Some parents concerned about the threat of measles and might have received misinformation on the use of vitamin A. So just to help clear some confusion, vitamin A is not a cure for measles, and it's not a way to prevent measles. What is really important to understand is that when the measles virus gets in the body, it lowers vitamin A, and that is what leads to complications like blindness. In fact, in underdeveloped countries, measles is the leading cause of childhood blindness, and which people might not realize. So important to understand and underscore the importance of why measles is dangerous and why we must protect against it with highly efficient, low-risk vaccines. But what is true is that vitamin A is used as a form of treatment, again, to prevent those complications. But what many parents might not realize is that it's not a form of cure and that it's not meant to be preventative of measles.
And you have to be careful when taking vitamin A. I mean, high doses are dangerous.
Absolutely, and that's one of the reasons why we're seeing signs of vitamin A toxicity among children who are getting too high of a dose of vitamin A at home. You really should not give your child vitamin A for any reason. You should talk to your provider. And again, the best way to prevent measles, the safest way, the lowest risk way, is to get vaccinated. 2 vaccines are up to 97% effective against measles, so many of these cases that we're seeing are completely preventable.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sutton. That's really helpful information.
Of course. So hopefully people can take it, and I understand everyone's trying to do what's best, so the goal is to get the information that's accurate and use it appropriately.
The doctor has spoken.